Hi, hello there, and welcome back to our MPS tutorials. Today we are going to go a little further and use our MPS to create manufacturing orders. So we are going to go into the Odoo documentation, just in case you have joined us and you weren't there for the first set of videos. So if I go to Odoo documentation, oh, by the way, Odoo 19 is out, and you can try it out yourself. So I'm going to look for master production schedule. Already it's there, and this is what we were studying last time. So we looked at the first principles where we were using the master production schedule to meet forecasted demand for items that we are reselling. So if I go to master production schedule, the first line here says, in Odoo's manufacturing app, the master production schedule is used to manually plan manufacturing orders, that's MOs, and purchase orders, that's POs, based on forecasted quantities of products and components. So that's essentially that. So we started with the easier part, planning for purchase orders. So this is basically when we are getting items from suppliers to resell to our customers. And remember, it's based on forecasted quantities. So you are basically sitting down and saying, I'm expecting a demand of X amount of bikes, because the case we were using was bikes, for this month, for this week. So basically we are using MPS to actually plan to meet these orders. Now, today, let's take it a little further and use it to plan manufacturing orders. And as always, no drive-by shooting, no going straight into the application without understanding first principles. So here we are. I'll go to my nice MPS, and today I want to talk about a bike that we are manufacturing. It's called a Delta Romeo Juliet road bike. So that's just the NATO alphabet. I think it sounds nice. So this is what we have. So we have a Delta Romeo Juliet road bike, and for me to have this bicycle, I need to manufacture it. For me to manufacture this bike, I need sub-assemblies, and for you to have sub-assemblies, you must have components. Wonderful stuff, eh? So basically, for you to have the bike, have sub-assemblies, and for you to have sub-assemblies, you should have components. So in this series, we are going to look at other aspects in Odoo as well. We're going to look at the BOM and also multi-level BOMs, and we are also going to see how to work with multi-level MPS. Let me just scroll for you so that you see what we are going to feel in this class. So this is basically our MPS. You can see that now we are we are not just dealing with one table. So this is basically it. If I can just zoom out so that everyone sees it. Yeah. So this is what we are going to do in first principles. But the beauty now is when we get into Odoo, with just a few clicks, all this work will be done. So I hope you will appreciate the theory, and then we go into where the rubber, my bicycle tires, meet the road. So hope to see you in the next one where we start doing our MPS. Cheers!